So next we have the trim function. There are two types of trims, left trim and right trim. Trim get rid of spaces for you. So for example, if you were to let me show you actually. Select, so let's do the left trim, and this is the one comma 1 2 3 4 5 spaces. Somebody made a mistake, then they write Imran and then another space, and then they close it. Now if I were to add this record into any column, it will give you 5 it will add 5 spaces as well. But if I run the ltrim, it will get rid of all the spaces. It will show me Imran right by where the 6 is, rather than to show me Imran starting from somewhere here. So execute and you can see it moved Imran there. But let me show you the right trim and you will have a better understanding. Same thing, let's copy the exact same thing. R trim will trim it from this side, right side, and you will see that it has done nothing here, and Imran will start somewhere from here. R trim 1 2 3 4 5 spaces, Imran again 1 2 3 4 5 spaces, close. Now if you run, you will see the action there. You can see Imran moved to all the way here. So there are 5 spaces before I in this column, but R trim shaved all these spaces from the right side. So this is the trim function. This is how you use them.